light?
Yep.
No. On there.
Mum!
Oh, Rob.
You
Why?
turn torch off. Quick. Get the match alight.
Joyful.
Is it alight?
Yeah, it's burning.
Right, get the other side, okay? Get the sides and hold them out like that.
Get this guy straight.
Right, that's it, hold it like that. Once it starts to get hot, it will go up itself.
Have it hot, Emily.
Well, no, because when we let go of it now, it just drops down.
No, no.
You're laughing for.
Hey, Mummy!
She's laughing at.
You're doing a rabbit thing. Stop.
I thought it felt like it was ready. It's really getting heavy. Lift it up. Keep going up.
Oh, yeah, it's burning. Burning you. It's
Can you
burning.
do a high puff?
It's burning.
There you go. The wind's trying to take it. I'll let go.
The wind's trying to take it. Mum, Mummy, Mum, look at me, Mum. The wind's trying to take it.
Get that side. Hold it straight. That's it.
The wind's trying to take it.
Really warm.
Spotlight.
I think it's going to go up and then go straight into next door's garden. Just burst into flames.
Person's flying.
That'll be funny.
It could happen.
We're laughing.
Just feel like it actually has. Right, we'll wait till the wind goes. Turn the torch off.
I've got a light thing
Let go.
and it's really special.
Why let go? Yeah. We need to go down the garden.
George, please. Poo.
We need to go down the garden.
Sorry, I'll get that
That was
side.
ridiculous.
Well, can I hold it?
Case.
Mum, you hold it and I hold the camera.
Right, we'll do it from here so it might clear the out.
Please, Mummy, I won't drop it.
Clear the rooftops of the old people's
Mummy,
home.
I won't drop it.
Ready?
What about that tree?
You ready?
What about that tree?
Yeah, I know.
It's going to go.
Oh, God, look. Yes.
There it
Bye-bye.
goes. See ya.
See ya?
Oh, no.
Stay alive! Stay alive!
It's going to catch fire.
No, it's not. At least it's taken the right way up.
Bye.
Well,
It's going too quick.
Thank you for hiding.
Turn torch off.
It's going down.
No, it's just getting further and further away.
Turn it off.
I'm coming with you.
You pumped.
Come back. Nobody else get it now.
I'm surprised it ain't tipped over.
It's changing direction.
Mum.
You'll know if it's
Mummy.
set fire because you'll see this massive fireball.
Mum,
Mummy.
Loads of birds into
Mum.
flames now.
Yeah, bird crashing through it.
So you can see it for the longest.
It's like a star.
See, if it
People
had
are
been
probably
really still
thinking,
not,
look at that
we would have
star.
watched it slowly get strung it up. But we've watched it blow up. It's why is that far away?
Probably going to be there in the morning.
It's like a star.
Mm.
People are going to think it's a UFO.
Yeah.
Mum.
Chinese lightning.
Mum.
Yeah, starting.
People